Keelan and she's standing.
We're gonna unbox this box. Oh wait, did I show the box? It's a big box. Okay, come on. Okay. Let's see if we can show. Hold on. Stop. I'm trying to show the box. All right, there are some cool action figures in here. Open it. Who's this one? Hoga. All right, you wanna open it up? I'll pull the other ones off the shelf. All right, we got Simon.
Oh, that's what I like, Simon.
Yes, that's the guy with the candle thing, as you said. All right, we got Forge. He's the bad guy. Oh, hopefully that didn't spoil anything. I mean, it's revealed fairly.
He's a crossbow.
Quickly in the movie. All right, Edgin. I don't even know if I really thought it was his name. Edgin. He's the main guy.
Oh, here's the lady.
Oh, show.
Oh, yeah,
So this is Holga. I'm not sure if it really looks like her in the face. Okay, and we have a Dungeons and Dragons fanny pack. That's a tiny little thing here. Let's see what this is. Will you open up that? Oh, I have a keychain Dungeons and Dragons battery. Stickers.
His helmet fits.
Awesome.
Oh.
All right. Oh my goodness. Oh.
What is that?
Mom and Dad are gonna use this.
What is it?
It is a beer stein. It is very heavy. And that is pretty cool. All right. This is our awesome beer stein here. I think that should go fill up.
It should have.
And this guy, there's a big pile of action figures. Simon
I'm
with his
opening
helmet
the bad
on.
guy. He comes with 3 weapons.
The bad guy. Yeah, Hugh Grant, Forge.
Forge.
All
His
right.
name's Forge.
We got our main guy, Chris Pine here. That's his name, right? There you go. I'm a little, that was very quick, but all right. So here's all our guys. And that's it. All right, so Dungeons and Dragons is streaming now. It's a cute movie. I liked it. It's fun. Keelan liked it, so it's a good family movie, good for kids and adults too. And even if you're not a fan of Dungeons and Dragons, I think it's fun too. All right, well, thanks for joining us, and we're gonna go play with some toys now. Say bye.
Bye.